Far East Battery powers China's industrial quadruped robots with advanced energy solution. Far East Battery has introduced a high-capacity 21,700 to 6,000 mAh cylindrical battery pack, significantly enhancing the endurance and efficiency of China's industrial quadruped robots. With a 27% improvement in energy output efficiency, 300 Wh a kilogram energy density, and support for up to 1,000 charge cycles, the battery system enables robots to operate continuously for 8 hours. Its intelligent thermal management ensures reliability, while the modular design allows flexible configurations to accommodate robots with varying power demands, from 5 kWh to 20 kWh. This breakthrough reduces China's reliance on imported battery technologies and lowers production costs. As proprietary power solutions become a key competitive factor in industrial robotics, Far East Battery's innovation contributes to the localization of critical components. The standardized interfaces and scalable configurations allow manufacturers to rapidly adapt motion control algorithms and optimize robotic performance. Industry analysts suggest that advancements in domestic battery technology could transform China's industrial robotic supply chain, accelerating the commercialization of specialized applications and strengthening the country's position in high-end robotics manufacturing.